loveliest girl in this whole wide world. Oh, it's wonderful being loved. Nothing is greater beneath the sky above. And I'm in love. Oh, yeah.
Ganso! Ang galing to? The Bride! Wow, nice Okay, thank you sa cup Favorite ko talaga mag-cup Thank you, I love you. Nice! Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah, 'cause I'm so deep in love. Yes, I found love deep in my heart. It's so adorable, must be heaven.
Thank you. Thank you, mahal. I love you.
Micaela, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Ricky May na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Oh yeah, but I've changed my mind.
Ricky May, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Micaela na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
You make me feel like a natural man. I'm in love with you, baby. Oh, I'm in love, so deep in love. I'm in love, so deep in love.
Ricky May at Micaela, pagkatapos ng kasal na ito, huwag kayong maghihiwalay. Huwag kayong maghihiwalay sapagkat sa kasal na ito, Diyos ang magsasama sa inyo. At ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
Mahal, it's been 9 beautiful years with you, 9 years of laughter, and so much love. Learning from each other and realizing that life is so much better when I'm with you. Naalala ko pa nung simula, we're just two people figuring things out, and young and unsure, and but we're full of hope.
Where are you? Where you been? I need you around.
Mahal, it's been 9 years, and in 3 months, we'll be celebrating our 10th year together. And I can truly say that I am happy, content, and forever grateful to God for giving you my first and my last.
I just wanna get home with you. I just wanna get home with you.
Hindi naging madali ang journey natin. It's not the fairy tale most girls dream of. But I can say that our story is beautiful and unique. Our differences sometimes leads to big fight, but we always end up compromising and forgiving each other. And that's what makes our relationship stronger.
Daydream
Hello. Hi.
with me, you dance in some mood. We could build a house away from here.
Just like we'll always have. You are my home. You are forever. I love you very much, and I keep loving you every single day for the rest of our life.
I don't care. I just wanna get home with you. I just wanna get home with you.
And I promise you na kahit na talikuran ka man ng mundo, nandito ako. At si Happy para sa'yo, para sa amin sapat ka. At sobra-sobra ka pa. Mag-aaway man tayo, pero kahit anong mangyari, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Araw-araw, papamuhay. Nakakayak naman yun.
So we build a house and get a home, and it grows as we grow. It shows. Yeah, we build a home away from it all. At least that's what I hope for. And now I'm at your front door. This is unfamiliar. How I never get bored with you. Yeah, I just want it all with you. Yeah, I just want